Hello everyone. In this question, according to question, we can draw a diagram. So now let's draw the diagram. So this is our diagram according to question. So here we need to find out the value of x. So here the distances of the masses are shown from the origin. So now the position of the center of mass is not attached by the internal forces. Here the mass 3 kg breaks into 1 kg and 2 kg. So the breaking of the mass is done to internal forces. So the position of the center of mass of the system remains at 100 meter from the catapult. So now the sum of the moment of masses about the center of mass must be 0. So therefore from the figure we can written as twice x plus 80 equals to 0. So therefore from here we will